Welcome back, friends. Thanks for listening in on another episode of Café con Lissette a las 3. Cheers! And today we're talking to all our business owners out there, and we're discussing a topic that's crucial for keeping your team and your business protected, and that's the dreaded workers' compensation insurance. But why exactly do you need it? Let's talk about it. One, there's a legal requirement, right? In most states, workers' compensation is required by law. And in Florida, for example, if you're in the construction industry and you have one or more employee, you're required to have workers' compensation. If you're in the non-construction industry, then 4 or more employees, including part-time employees, you have to have workers' compensation. And if you don't, you could face hefty fines or even legal action. Not fun. Number 2, you buy it to protect your employees because accidents happen. And we know that. And that's the reason why we buy insurance. And this insurance helps cover medical bills and lost wages, permanent disability benefits for those employees that are unable to return to their prior jobs, and even death benefits to the surviving family members if an employee passes away due to a workplace injury. You buy workers' compensation to protect your business. Why? Because it prevents lawsuits from employees who get hurt on the job. Without it, a single injury could financially ruin your business and bankrupt you. So imagine this. An employee slips and falls on a wet floor and they break their leg and they can't come back to work for a few months. Or a bakery who hires a new employee and that employee slices off their finger with the bread slicer. Ay, Dios mío! True story, by the way, it did happen. With workers' comp, your business isn't stuck with the medical bills, and instead the insurance steps in and covers all those costly medical bills and lost wages and all that other coverage that I previously discussed. Here's an interesting fact about workers' compensation insurance. It was the first form of social insurance in the United States. It was established to provide a safety net for workers who were injured on the job, creating a system where the employees could receive benefits without needing to sue their employers. It was introduced in 1911 in Wisconsin and gradually spread across the country. This system was revolutionary because workers' comp employees had to rely on the legal system to seek compensation, which was often costly and it took a long time. It was difficult, right? And so this shift led the foundation from any other types of social insurance programs like unemployment benefits and social security benefits that we rely on today. So the bottom line is workers' compensation isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting your team and your business. If you haven't already bought workers' compensation, make sure you're covered. If you have any questions about workers' comp, give us a call. We're happy to talk to you. Until next time, dale que tú puedes.